We'll see you in the funny papers. Pepper plants finally came on sale today at half price. Perfect. It's just what I needed. Of course, I went down and bought them, came back and realized there still had some pots left over. 3 of them. So I decided to get 3 different types of tomatoes. We have some San Marzano tomatoes that kind of look like Romas. And we have some tomato Rapunzel. They look a bit like tomatoes on the vine that you'll see at the store. And some tomato red grape tomatoes. I assume those like cherry tomatoes. Perfect. All right. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the pots that we've had sitting there, put some water in them, and then we will go right into the morning program. Great red bright sun this morning. What is it they used to say? Red in the morning, sailors take warning. Well, the reality is the red sun is from all the smoke from the fires out west. There was a red sun going down last night as well. What is it they say about that? Red at night, sailor's delight.
Without warning, a wormhole opened in our solar system. A tunnel through time.
It was time to harvest another winter onion as it just started to bolt. These are absolutely delicious, very strong. Squirrels are active this morning. Come on, squirrel. You can pass. I'm not going to eat you. He's not going to go. Oh, no, he is. He's coming back. Come on. Come on, little fella. Come on. There he is. Come on. Oh, there's another one there. It's Squirrel Central. What? Are you guys just waiting for me to throw some food out? Not gonna happen. I'm growing food here. Over from last year that I had also planted.